Abracadabra. What if you could create whatever you say? Abracadabra is an app platform that lets you create your 3D augmented reality metaverse as you speak.
An apple and a hamburger. Sometimes it takes a while to load this textures, and also a mushroom and a bonsai.
In the live demo that we just showed, all content is loaded directly from the server in real time. And this is a high-level overview of the app and server components. And so let's kind of segment the app into the top portion and the server into kind of these bottom portions, although yes, S3 is kind of part of that. So as a general overview of how the content is loaded, there is initially voice search when you basically trigger text to speech to text, and this is sent as a natural language freeform query to our EC2 wavelength Abracadabra search. And then we have some automagical AI that takes the natural language and basically turns it into structured content. Let's call it scene content metadata. So basically this is a giant JSON. Well, depending on how big your scene is, it might be pretty small, depending on if you're kind of a sort of a test scene here. It contains the universal IDs to the 3D models, and then also descriptors, the models such as the color, size, and that sort of stuff that our render engine can then easily modify. But of course it has to load. So basically, once this JSON is sent back to the mobile app then directly looks through it and downloads each model, if it's not in the local cache already, directly from the S3 URL. And there's basically several different buckets, terabytes of 3D models that we are searching through for, well, the dictionary for our metaverse is quite large, I guess, yeah, of known nouns and such. Anyhow, so in terms of wavelength, all right, so we have a US West 2 wavelength in the SFO area, Route 53. We have this domain being mapped to our humble, self-funded bootstrap startup EC2 T medium size Ubuntu Lab instance. And this is the one that is serving our scene content metadata and also processing automagical AI to give our mobile app a very easy way to take what every single app is great at doing, taking JSON content and loading it into relative things. In this case, it lets you take whatever you say in natural language, it turns it into 3D models, and this is how that works.